We are at Valey Watermill Park today and just want to take you guys around a little bit. This is the entrance, parking on this side, and of course the lake, and additional parking over there as well. This trail is nice in the fact that it does have options for shorter walks going back and forth on the lakefront. There are also plenty of shaded areas and sun-exposed areas if you would rather do one or the other. There are several different spots like this where you can literally walk down, there's a trail, and get closer to the water. Like I am here, and you can see I found some friends while I was there. This park also has a covered area, like you can see here. There's restrooms, clean restrooms. I was impressed. A map letting you know where you are and the areas you can go to. I found more friends. They're camera shy though. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out my other welcome to or community related videos. I hope you have a great day.